Hi, today we are going to discuss how to unblock a nozzle if it has got jammed. So for that what we need to do is basically step number 1, remove the Teflon pipe. Step number 2, unblock the nozzle using this needle that you find in your kit. Step number 3, test that the unblocking has worked successfully by inserting a small Teflon pipe into the nozzle and then hand extruding, testing by hand extrusion. And once everything is going good, step number 4, just put the Teflon pipe back again and just check if everything is good. So to begin with, what we need to do is, first we need to remove this clamp, the wires, the Teflon pipes clamp, which is fastened over here. We need to unscrew them and remove it so that we get access to the top of the nozzle over there. Now after that, if you can see that black collar on the top of the nozzle, we need to press this collar down and pull the pipe backwards so that you get it out. Yeah, before you do that, make sure that the filament is unloaded from the pipe. Now after this, you need to basically unblock the nozzle using the needle. So just make sure that the needle is inserted vertically into the nozzle. Yes, so the nozzle is preheated already, and after that I'm doing all these steps. So the nozzle should be preheated to 220 degrees, and after that I need to grab the top of the needle like that and vertically with a quick motion press it downwards. So when I do that, I see a bit of plastic which has come out of the nozzle, and with this, hopefully whatever dirt was inside the nozzle has also come out. So this has effectively flushed the nozzle. So one common question that we encounter from the users is that what is the force that we should use when we push the needle inside. So the whole idea is that you can use as much force as you want. You can even like grab it properly and push it with both your hands. The only thing to be taken care is that it should be perfectly vertical when you press the needle. It should not break or bend when you're trying to push it down. Once that is taken care, you can be pretty sure that you're doing it the right way. And you can see that the needle has cleaned the nozzle perfectly. You can repeat the procedure if you want, and if you still get a jam, you can even crank up the temperature to maybe 270 degrees and do the whole procedure again. And this always works. This is a fail-safe method of cleansing the nozzle. Just insert the needle, press it down, take it back, and there you go. Thanks. So once we have purged the nozzle using the needle, what next we need to do is insert a Teflon pipe into the nozzle that we've just cleaned, and then try hand extrusion. So this Teflon pipe, you'll find this pipe inside the kit that we have given to you, and just make sure that the pipe will go a long way into the nozzle. And the way to make sure that this goes in properly is that the pipe has a rounded edges corner. So this makes sure that there is no obstruction when the pipe is going inside. If it is not rounded enough, you can use a sharp knife to actually do it yourself. Just make sure that the flakes don't enter the pipe. All of them should go away, and just make sure that you chamfer the edges of the pipe so that it is round from the outside, and then you insert it here in the nozzle, and then you'll feel it go in approximately 1 inch into the nozzle. If it is not going in all the way, please don't test the procedure that we are telling you. First make sure that it goes in all the way. After this, take an ABS wire, cut it cleanly and insert it into this pipe and just push by hand. Just push by hand. And here at the tip of the nozzle, you should see the filament coming out. And there should not be any excessive force when you're doing it. If there is too much of force required, then your cleaning is not happening properly. Another way to ensure that the cleaning is happened properly is that the wire should come smoothly out. It should not be going sideways